Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMums.
Hi Mommy! Today we'll talk about heartburn and acidity. I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, have been dealing with so many of my pregnant mothers who have these complaints. It is one of the commonest complaints which is very discomforting. The joy of pregnancy becomes challenging because of this. But it's a long journey and you have to enjoy every phase of your pregnancy. In the first trimester, you had nausea and vomiting. By 14 weeks, that is settling down, and now the next challenge starts, that is heartburn. And it can continue right till the end of third trimester or till your pregnancy. Now you have so many doubts in your mind as to what I can do to prevent this. What should my diet be? What should be the lifestyle? What should be the sleeping and sitting postures? Are the OTC drugs safe? How do you know it is simple acidity or I need to consult my doctor? And does it harm my baby? So all these questions are troubling you. Now let's see the causes why it is happening. The hormonal changes are happening. The progesterone hormone is working, and in that the esophageal sphincter becomes relaxed. Because of that you have acid reflux. The uterus is growing and the baby is growing too. That is also exerting pressure on your stomach and which is causing acid reflux. And it lasts for 2 to 3 days, but it could become so challenging. And just see what is your stress factor and what are your triggering factors. Each individual will have different triggering factors for heartburn. Simple things that you need to do at home to prevent all this. Avoid overeating. No binging at all. Instead of having 3 meals a day, go for small frequent meals 5 to 6 times a day. And remember one thing, be slow in eating. There is no hurry. You have all the time in the world to enjoy your meals. And remember to chew your food. So when you're chewing, you will obviously eat slow. And when you're not in a hurry, you will obviously chew. So it will go hand in hand. Sip liquids very slowly. Don't gulp a glass of liquid like that. And eat only when you are hungry. And I would repeat, no binging at all. Before sleeping, at least 3 hours before that, you must have your meal. You can't eat and lie down. That is one of the commonest causes of heartburn. After eating, you can sit in Vajrasana. Vajrasana is just folding your knees back and sitting. That helps in digestion. You can stand or you can do small walks after your meals. But remember, no lying down. When you lie down, use a pillow. A 6-inch high pillow will be of great help. And remember to wear loose, comfortable clothes, especially around the abdomen. If you have lots of acidity, one simple trick that I've tried in so many of my pregnant mothers is cold milk. Have half a cup of cold milk. You can even put one small piece of ice in that and just sip it slowly. It does wonders. Certain foods I'm sure you want to know that will help prevent all this. Banana is very good. When you have banana, but remember to chew it slowly and then swallow. Banana is alkaline, so it will obviously help you settle with your acidity. Apple is another good fruit. Remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So now is the right time to have apple, but that also you have to chew it very slowly. Now these 2 fruits, it doesn't mean you start feasting on that. Have a dozen of bananas or 1 kg of apple. No, just adequate quantity. Maybe 1 or 2 bananas or just 1 apple. Avoid fried food. Your triggers, now you will have to see what all it is. Spicy food. No cold drinks at all. Avoid white sugar at all costs. It's one of the worst things for acidity, and white sugar causes a lot of craving. Once you have craving, again you'll want to eat something which is not really needed. Coffee and tea are another triggering factors. And no smoking and no alcohol at all. Oats is also a very good food which prevents and controls the heartburn. Vinegar is normally available at home, and 2 spoons of vinegar can help you settle with your acidity. Ginger is another good source. If you want, you can even make a ginger ale. Green coriander. Garnish your food with green coriander. It will give you flavor, plus it will prevent acidity. A little bit of lemon will also help you prevent acidity. So many people think that lemon will cause acidity. That is not the scene. According to Ayurveda, when you have lemon in adequate quantity, maybe half a lime, and you mix it in water and have that, that will become alkaline once you take it. So lemon is also a very good source of settling down with your acidity. Remember to keep yourself hydrated. Drink water which is adequate, not too much, not too less. And in the morning when you get up, have 2 glasses of warm water. Sit down comfortably, preferably in Kagasana. Kagasana is like the way you sit in an Indian toilet, and sip this water slowly. You can have 1 glass of warm water slowly. Then again after half an hour, you can have another glass. That will also help you prevent your heartburn. Some lifestyle modifications are so important. Yoga is one very important thing. You must download our iMoms app and see what all yogas you can do. Prenatal yoga can prevent acidity and heartburn. Meditation is a boon. Studies have proved that anxiety and stress can be a triggering factor for heartburn. So if you want to be stress-free, do simple, doable meditations available on our iMoms app. Music, the Indian ragas are very good. When you listen to them with a very cool mind, that will also help you reduce your stress and be comfortable. Your baby is there within you. Talk to your baby program in our iMoms app is another very good thing that you must practice every day. That will help you bond and reduce your stress also. Remember, acidity, heartburn is not harmful for the baby. It might be very discomforting for you. What you can do is just follow these simple techniques and be happy come what may. See, you are going to be a mother. This is your journey. So enjoy your journey so that you are happy and your baby is also healthy and happy. Thank you and namaste.